The TikTok social media platform has seen explosive growth over the last 2 years. It now has 500 million users that are desperate for fun and exciting content, and this is a massive opportunity for you to promote your business. To be successful with TikTok marketing, you need to know how the platform works and how the users interact with each other. TikTok appeals to a younger demographic, and you really need to speak their language to be successful. We have worked hard to provide you with everything that you need to know to use the TikTok platform to market your business successfully. Other marketers have tried marketing on TikTok and failed. We do not want you to make the same mistakes that they did. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn how to use the TikTok platform to market your business successfully. You will learn that a number of businesses and organizations have already leveraged the TikTok platform to get the word out. You will be able to engage with your audience on TikTok. You will learn how to create viral videos and grow your TikTok account. You will know how the platform works and how the users interact with each other. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you profit from TikTok. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is TikTok and why should you care? Getting started with TikTok. Creating content for TikTok. TikTok hashtags. Marketing strategies for TikTok. TikTok ads. TikTok use cases to inspire you. TikTok analytics. TikTok best practices. Plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually profit from TikTok. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to learn how to use the TikTok platform to market your business successfully. You want to learn how to create creative videos that get the users involved in their brand in a fun way. You want to know how the platform works and how the users interact with each other. You want to generate more engagement to your audience on TikTok. You want to create successful marketing campaigns. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1 cheat sheet valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to profit from TikTok, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you profit from TikTok. I'll see you on the inside.